Hey guys, so what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can use the eraser tool on Pixlr, for example, to remove specific parts of an image or photo. So let us get started. So guys, you may use the eraser tool here on the left panel. That's it here. Simply click into it, and after that you may adjust also or customize your brush at the top. Select for example, specific shape of your brush, like circular or that one here. Adjust also the size if you'd like to remove larger areas of the image, and after that simply make sure that of course the given layer is selected here to the right, sorry. And after that let me just remove, I don't know, let's say in that object here. Move your left mouse and it's like using paint, for example. There you go. So that area has been removed successfully, and that's how you apply the eraser tool in Pixlr Photo Editor. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.